Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create wedding website on Wix.com. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can get started with my link in the description. So now guys, once you are on your Wix studio, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to all sites over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on create a new site. So guys, from here, just simply click on build on the Wix editor down below. And from here, just simply go set up without chat. And after that, just simply go ahead and search over here, wedding. So you will have here multiple options to narrow down the wedding keyword. So let's say I'm gonna go for wedding videographer and click on continue. And now from here, just wait for it to load up. And from here, guys, just simply provide your business name. So I'm gonna go for wedding video service, and you can search your business address over here. I'm gonna go for New York, for example, guys. So this is just an example, and click on continue. After that, just simply provide your default working hours and click on continue. And as you can see from here, guys, we already have a pre-made services that Wix have. So I'm gonna check whatever I like. So just simply check what services that you have, or you can just simply click on create new service over here and just simply provide the necessary information for this service. And after that, just simply click on continue. And from here, you should be able to add staff members that you like. Just simply provide their name and email and click on continue. And from here, just simply check what your business does. So I'm gonna go for this one, and I'm gonna go for this one and click on continue. And now from here, click on continue to dashboard. And after that, just simply click on design site and click on pick a template. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and select a template that you prefer. And from there, you can start editing your website. So just simply select what you prefer. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one. I'm gonna click on edit. And after that, I should be able to claim it right away. And from here, you should be able to start working on it and editing the pieces and build it up. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!